Hey Brooke, I wanted to make sure I sent this over to you as soon as possible, and just give you a breakdown of the content, citations, and backlinks that I spoke about in the previous video. Typically, we would like to get on the phone and speak to you, but since you're showing this to your marketing team, I can definitely understand wanting to be able to replay it and give them a little bit more details. I'm going to make this as brief as possible as well, just so we can, just give you guys exactly what we're trying to show you, get down to the principle of things. So on here, we see that you have your advertisement section, which you can find at the top of the page in Google searches and the bottom of the page of Google Map Pack as well. Right here, we did find you guys when we typed in law firm Atlanta. So you guys are right here, which is fantastic. And I know that we spoke about showing you guys your competition, and you kind of explained to me in detail in the video what how that wasn't your guys' competition. And I want to go further into detail with that because we're really speaking about keywords here. So law firms Atlanta, yes, you guys get brought up in that GMB, and that is the Google Maps right here. But we want to make sure that you're getting that organically. And when I say that, I mean when we search up law firm Atlanta, it's showing us that you are on page 6 of Google. And we want to get you guys on page 1 of Google. Although you weren't ranked number 1 in the map section when typing in those keywords, and you weren't ranked at all 27 organic listing sections that we looked and searched up. Finally, when we took off that S, we saw you guys on the 6th page ranked 56. So I want to get into SEOs. So SEOs, they are the most efficient and effective way for your website to be ranked on the first page of Google and to put you ahead of your competition. And making sure that we have, like I said, those specific keywords in there, like personal, injury lawyers Atlanta, or Atlanta lawyers that represent personal, anything that the person needs to look up, basically what I'm saying, that has any type of topic relating to you guys, that organic traffic needs to be brought to you guys. So going into detail more of offsite SEO is where we jump in with the backlinks. So backlinks are what powers your website. And we use Ahrefs, which is one of the sites that we use to track, like we mentioned in our last screencast. So here, I know what you're thinking. I have 1.2 million backlinks. Mary, what are you thinking? Our competitors have 100K backlinks. Now you are correct. That is true. You have tons of backlinks, but they're not the backlinks that you want. You might have tons of backlinks, but they're not being clicked on. This 100K is beating out your 1.2 million because they might have backlinks like, for instance, findlawyers.com, and people are clicking on that link and then they go back to their website, but your guys' links might just be something simple like yelp.com, and you're not really getting as many as you should be getting. We want to change that for you guys for sure. Back to the Google Map Pack. We know you guys have a great Google Map Pack. You guys are number 1 on there. We're not really going to go too deep into that, but we don't know if you guys are using Whitespark to look up your citations that can get you guys to stay there and to match your competition to make sure that they don't ever beat you out. Now, we also want to make sure that when you have that GMB optimization, that those keywords are being hidden inside of your guys' pictures as well on the website. And that's something else that I would love to go into further, detail with you guys to speak about. I don't want to keep rambling here and going back and forth a lot, but your Google reviews are amazing. We know that. That's one of the reasons why we picked you guys, because you guys have that authenticity and you guys have that drive. And we don't really work with anybody. We want to work with people that have that drive and that know that they need organic listings, because organic traffic is what drives companies nowadays. Our estimated pricing, it is an estimate of pricing. We want to make sure we get on the phone with you guys and do that one-on-one. So that way we can sit down with you guys and understand exactly what you need in our services and what you're looking to acquire. Now, Brooke, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to listen. I tried to shorten this down as much as possible, and I hope I wasn't rambling or talking too fast. But if you have any questions at all, please let me know, and you will be getting this in a PDF file as well, just to kind of go over with your team, and you can go over my notes that are more in detail. Appreciate you guys listening. Hope you guys have a great day.